Let us learn about GST. GST is classified into intrastate and interstate. What is intrastate means? When transactions happen, goods purchase and sales happens within the state or local, it is called as intrastate. And intrastate is splitted into two taxes, that is CGST, Central Goods Service Tax, and SGST, State Goods Service Tax. Coming to the point of interstate, interstate means transactions happens between two states or within the states, country to country. Then IGST will be applied, that is Integrated Goods Service Tax. Coming to point, what is GST? What is GST? The Goods and Service Tax is a term signifying a one tax, one nation policy. The goods and service, before that we have excise duties, VAT taxes, service taxes. Instead of those all taxes, the government had implied only one tax, that is GST, Goods Service Tax, that is called as one nation policy. An end user that consumes any goods or service have to pay the GST. The buyer has to pay the GST. When he consumes goods or services, the buyer has to pay the GST. That is CGST, SGST and IGST. While preparing the businessman, you have to prepare the accounts. Apart from preparing accounts, purchase account, sales account, stock account, cash account, he also prepares CGST, SGST, IGST taxes, input, output. I am going to explain about input and output taxes, what are meant. While preparing purchase account, we pay taxes to the supplier, that is called as input tax. When we sell goods to the customers, the customers will pay the tax for us. So we have to collect tax from the customers. That is called as output tax. Formula is output minus input. Tax liability will be payable to that amount will be payable to the government. And another point, input and CGST. Input CGST and SGST, purchases and goods happen when we purchase goods from a supplier, we pay cash tax to the supplier, that is called as input and SGST taxes, that is called as input tax credit. That input tax credit is called as, when we pay tax to the supplier, it is called as input tax credit. And output CGST and output SGST is called as when selling goods transactions to the customers and we collect that tax from the customers, that is called as output tax liability. Output tax liability. Have to collect from the customer and we have to pay that amount to the government. That is the liability. These are the points we have to remember while preparing GST.